Hey everybody.
Hi.
We are going to a trail called Caney Fork and Buffalo Valley something in the Silver Point area at the Buffalo Valley Recreation area. Some fuel for the hike. It's not a very long hike. It's 1 mile total, but it looked like it had some pretty scenery.
It does. I saw some pictures. We'll take some ourselves.
Yes.
We made it! Buffalo Valley Nature Trail, or so the sign says.
In the little King Creek offshoot.
And the King Creek offshoot going down to King Creek.
Yes.
Yeah, well, that was fun.
Yeah, it was fun. It wasn't very challenging.
Nope, but you did it without stopping.
Yeah.
And we made better time.
Yeah, we did 0.75 miles.
In like 25 minutes.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
With a stop in there as far as looking at
Oh yeah, we stopped and looked at the water for a minute, but no hiking stops.
No.
No sitting down. Awesome.
Yep.
All right, well, hey, thanks for
was
watching.
good.
Hope that was a good hike for you guys. Mount LeConte, coming soon.
Don't forget to like, subscribe,
Share,
share,
thumbs up, notification bell,
all that good
all
stuff.
the good stuff. Thanks, guys.
Peace.
Peace.